The differences between where and were are the pronunciation, spelling, and meaning. Where can be an adverb or, informally, a subordinating conjunction linking dependent and independent clauses. As an adverb that usually appears after a place or situation, it means in, at, or to which, as with a sentence like, I lived in New York City, where I worked for several years. Here are 3 sentences using the word where as an adverb to show in, at, or to which. She studied in London, where she became a master art restorer. To which address is the envelope going? Where are you sending it? I live at the intersection of Smith and Vine Streets. I live where the 2 roads cross. Where can also be used as a subordinating conjunction, as with, we performed an experiment where we measured buoyancy. Here the meaning of where is in which. Where as a conjunction can also mean in the place that, or in situations that, as with these sentences. Where the rubber meets the road, we separate the adults from the children. Where the desert offers no visible water, animals inventively dig. We hid our treasure where no other pirates could find it. Where is pronounced to rhyme with bear or hare. Now the other word, were, is a verb form of to be, and it is 3 different verb forms. Second person singular past tense, you were in line first. Plural past tense, they were minors. Past subjective tense, if I were in your shoes, I would have done the same thing. Here is a sample conversation using the second person singular past of the verb were. Betty, were you at the post office today? Yes, I was mailing a box of llama chow. Why, were you there too? You were in line ahead of me. The plural past tense of to be is also were, and it is used for all plural noun forms, such as we and they, as in, together, we were in the post office an hour. The past subjective tense is reserved for any hypothetical or unreal event in the past, present, or future. If it is unlikely to happen or cannot happen at all, use the past subjective tense. Here are 3 examples. Were I to suddenly sprout wings, I would not be able to get back to the office in time. It was as if time were moving backward. It would be as if we were completely free for the afternoon. Were is pronounced to rhyme with burr and stir.